So let's get started. First, we're gonna put on my bio. It doesn't even fit, but it's supposed to. Now my power wave. This one. Okay, we're gonna do my mini bubble stuff, which we're gonna put on the sides. Okay. Another one. Oh, this is so annoying. Is that all? No, that's not all. But I guess it is. So, yeah, we're done with here. Now we're gonna do the top. I'm gonna roll up. We're gonna grow a big brown ocean. D, but never to keep it. Oh, found this one, but just gonna put it right there. Okay, now we're gonna put my lip glosses, even though I already have some there. So, actually, I'm gonna keep these because they're part of my lip combo. Get all of these. Just gonna put on my layer, go like, why not? Okay, we're done with the bridge. Now we're gonna do my Sol de Janeiro collection. Here's my Sol de Janeiro drawer, and I have all of the shampoos here, but let's get them out. All of my 59 first. Put it. I'll tell you guys when I'm done. This is how it turned out. All of my little kits. Here's one, and here's like another one. My huge ones, and these that don't have a match. This is how it came out. Bye, guys.